We're still Shakespeare. Still right.
Okay, can you do it? Give it a shot, guys. We're mixing alcohol.
Oh, okay.
We're moonshining today, right? Doing some moonshine. Actually, when I was in college, I worked at 7-Eleven as an assistant manager in college. And when I got my first job as a teacher, I was still working there part-time. So I was teaching school plus working at 7-Eleven at night. One night, I had a girl come in and steal some beer from me. Like 2 cases of beer. Guess what? She was one of my students in my class. She was 14, and she was stealing beer.
Wait. She was stealing?
Yeah. I'm like, what's going on?
What were you using to, what were you teaching?
What, Ty?
Where were you working?
7-Eleven.
And when did your class, and when did your master
So, I worked there when I was in college, Ty, as an assistant manager. When I got my first teaching job, I was still working there part-time. So one of my students in my class tried to steal beer from me. I said, I was your teacher. Well, I caught her and called the cops. They came and picked her up. It was kind of a sad day for her. And I was her teacher. So when the cops came, guess what I gave the cops when they came and picked her up? Her tardies, her attendance, her citizenship grade, her grade.
You did really?
I'm kidding. I could have, though. I could have.
You could have given her that secretary. Was she a good student or not?
No, she was not a good student. Okay, anybody have it figured out? What do we got? Okay. It's Truman, right? So 6 and 12, Truman, right? A is 6, B is 12. Right, guys? A is 6, B is 12. Very good. Okay. Can your brains handle one more problem for fall break?
We should do a problem. They should teach us how to do problem.
Now this problem kind of reminds me of my junior high classes. It's called the Nut House.
No, I didn't finish it.
I'm sorry, Summer. I'll go back. I'll go back and copy down.
I don't know what it's called.
Did you put a -2, Summer, right here? -2, -2.
You did that well.
This becomes -36, right? So Summer, -2 there, -2 there, -36 there. And then add them together, okay? Add the columns together. See if that can correct it for you real quick. Okay, we're going to visit the Nut House. Okay, the Nut House sells pecans worth $4 and cashews worth $6 per pound.
That's expensive.
How many pounds of pecans and how many pounds of cashews must be mixed to get me 16 pounds of a nut mixture worth $4.50 per pound?
Odds.
Okay, good. So who can guess the first equation? What would it look like? Can you guess the time for me?
The first equation would be...
Let's use Ty P for pecan and C for cashew,
B
okay?
plus C equals 16.
Ty, good. P plus C is 16. Very good. Pecans plus cashews is 16. Perfect, guys.
I can guess the second one too. I
Now,
can guess the second equation.
okay, Ty, come to the second equation.
4P plus 6C equals...
4P plus 6C, good. That's how much they cost. What's it going to equal? That's a tough number. It's not given to you directly.
It's getting 450 times 16.
Right, Joe? You have to go 16 pounds times 4.50. You got to write down what it would cost to buy this if you're a customer. So if a customer bought this at the store, what would the customer pay for it? The whole thing. It'd be 16 times 4.50. It's the weight times the cost, right? So in your phones, type it in. 16 times 4.50. Joe, 72? Okay, we got it, right? Very good. Can we solve it? Anybody here allergic to nuts, though?
No.
I can't. I'm allergic to peanuts. I can't eat them. I can't breathe. I eat peanut.
If I wanted to eat M&Ms, you would not be very happy.
So no M&Ms, no Snickers for me. I like Twix though.
I
Twix
should
are
bring, I
good.
should bring a peanut butter.
Okay, can we solve it, guys?
Yep.
How do we solve this bugger?
Times by -4.
So -4 there, -4 there,
And then negative 4 there.
negative what, 64, I guess?
Yep.
Okay, finish it off, guys.
C equals 4.
So 2C is 8, divided by 2 is, so 4 pounds of cashews,
Yep.
right? How many pounds of pecans, guys?
10. Or 12.
Yeah, because you have to go 16 minus 4, right?
So it'll be 12.
Yep, 12 pounds, right? These two numbers combined have to be 16, right?
Yep.
So guys, I hope this lesson taught you one thing. That I'm nuts, yes. Thank you, Emma. You're going down. Now, my lesson had one goal, to bore you to death. No, I'm kidding. It probably did. To teach you guys that all these problems can be solved by trial and error eventually. But this takes out the guesswork. If you can build a system, it takes out the guesswork of trial and error. Trial and error is okay, but this takes out the guesswork, okay? Well, guys, enjoy fall break. I'll see you in a week. Enjoy fall break, everybody. We love you all. Enjoy fall break. Sleep in. Don't do too much math, okay? Be lazy. But do a little bit of math. A little bit of math's probably good. Oh dear. Guys, don't take your geology class for granted, okay? Don't take it for granted. Of course not, Joe. That was good. That was terrible. Terrible joke.
That's a nice joke.
All interrupted. That's a nice joke. Thanks, guys. See you next week.
That's a nice
Just like,
I feel like I'm learning.
I hope Sam everybody clean up the floor.
How do you guys come back in here and clean this up?
Guys, help clean up, you guys.
Come
I didn't
on.
make it. I didn't make it. I didn't clean it.
I didn't either.
Summer, I cleaned up.
Okay, hold up. Let's trade. We can find it's not heavy.
That's mine. Still yours.
I can't even lift it up anymore.
Feel mine.
Yeah, I can lift
You know what you should do? Carry your backpack around all the time.
What do you think I do?
I picked up some trash, so.
So, Mr. Hort, have you taught them, have you taught us, because I wasn't here for a week, but did you teach us the, like, these?
Not yet. There's a chapter 3, Joe, so basically I'm gonna give you a function.
Yeah, I figured it out.
Yeah.
Hey, Bert,
Yeah.
we don't know, I asked the math tutor where those tests were, did she find them?
We can't seem to find him, Allison, but it's okay. We kind of improvised and made it work.
Okay, because he wants to start where he knows. So we need to take those tests that you gave. Could you give us those tests too?
I thought I gave you a stack of tests. I thought I gave you a stack of test ones, the
Okay.
first exam, but you know that, Allison?
He needs to test so he can figure out where he's supposed to be. Do you have an email of those?
Do you mean the Math 95 ones or the ones I'm teaching in my class?
95.
Oh, 95?
Do you have an email of those on by any chance?
I can email them to you.
Okay,
tonight.
let's do that.
Yeah,
And
give
then
me your
over
email,
this
email
long
me.
break, he'll take it, and we'll see where he's at. And we can
Right,
start
yeah,
that.
give me your email address.
And then
before you
can we
leave.
have packets starting from where he is?
Yeah, you
Okay.
bet.
Hey, Michael.
No, look for it. Sam, will you turn those off?
Yes. Hey, are you going home today?
Yeah, take it.
Want to come with you?
Yeah.
Yeah, so take it home and have your parents sign
Hey
it.
guys, will you train over
Have your
here?
parent monitor it, like in the kitchen
Thank
table, have
you.
your parents sign it. Yeah, so tell the team to have you guys take it home, and just have your parents sign it. Have them do the clock, okay? Thanks,
I want that straight up. Straight the chairs. Jeez. My left foot's asleep. It's good.
How do you
guys?
Hey, probably help too, right, Joe?
You're being a bad example, Mr.
Example, Emma.
Thank you, Mr. Hart.
You guys did a great job of all these things here.
Where are they? Let's have a big old party.
I'm so excited. I will win the job just like this. I will win.